Welcome to Investor Web, your one-stop channel for all things money, investment and wealth building. Here we aim to fill in the gaps left by conventional education, providing you with the knowledge you need to take control of your financial future. Our content is designed to empower and guide you, offering a wide range of topics from the basics of budgeting to complex investment strategies. We bring you tutorials that break down difficult concepts, tips and tricks to optimize your money management, and interviews with leading experts in the finance industry. On InvestorWeb, we believe financial literacy is a right, not a privilege, and we're committed to making it accessible to all. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned investor, or simply someone looking to make smarter financial decisions, we're here for you. Today, we're diving into a topic that isn't taught in schools, the 10 money rules you should know. Rule number 1, spend less than you earn. It's a concept that might seem simplistic, but it's a fundamental principle that many of us struggle to grasp. Living within your means is not about deprivation, it's about balance. It's about understanding the value of money and making conscious decisions on where to allocate your resources. Overspending is a dangerous habit. It's like trying to fill a leaky bucket. No matter how much you pour in, it's never enough. It can lead to financial stress, debt, and can even affect your mental health. Budgeting is your lifesaver. It's your financial blueprint that guides you on your spending and saving habits. It helps you understand where your money is going and ensures that it's working for you, not against you. So, always remember this golden rule. Spend less than you earn, because at the end of the day, wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Rule number 2, start investing early. Yes, you heard it right. The sooner you dive into the world of investing, the better. It's all about understanding the magic of compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more and more snow with each turn. That's compound interest, your money growing exponentially over time. Starting young also gives you the luxury of time. Time to learn, time to make mistakes and recover, and most importantly, time to let your money grow. Remember, every day you wait to invest is a day you're losing potential profits. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the risks. Yes, investing comes with its fair share of risks, but the biggest risk of all is not investing at all, so don't wait for the perfect time to invest. The perfect time is now. Time is the most valuable asset when it comes to investing. Rule number 3, diversify your investments. Imagine a juggler skillfully keeping multiple balls in the air. Now think of each ball as an investment. The juggler doesn't rely on just one ball, does he? The same principle applies to your investments. By spreading your investments across various assets, you're not just relying on one to perform well. This is the essence of diversification. Why is it important? Well, it's all about managing risk. No investment is without potential pitfalls. When you diversify, you reduce the impact of any one investment going south. Suppose you invested all your money in a single company's stock. If that company tanks, so does your entire investment. But if your investments are spread across multiple places, a single failure won't wipe you out. Remember, diversification isn't about chasing the highest returns. It's about balance and protection against unpredictable market movements. So, the golden rule of investing, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Rule number 4, avoid debt. Now you might be wondering, why is debt so dangerous? Well, debt can be a fierce foe, silently consuming your hard-earned money through interest. It's like a hole in your wallet that keeps getting larger with time, unless addressed promptly. Paying off debt quickly is crucial. Imagine you're running a race, but you're carrying a heavy backpack. That's what debt does to your financial journey. It slows you down. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar that could have been saved or invested. So how can we avoid unnecessary debt? It's simple. Live within your means. If you can't afford it, don't buy it. Use credit cards wisely, not to buy luxuries, but for emergencies or to build a good credit score. And remember, if you must borrow, do so sparingly and with a clear plan for repayment. Debt is the enemy of wealth. It's a trap that keeps your money from working for you. Avoid it, and you'll be one step closer to financial freedom. Rule number 5, save for emergencies. Now you might wonder, why save for emergencies? Well, let me tell you, life has a way of throwing curveballs when you least expect it. That's where an emergency fund comes into play. Imagine it as your financial safety net. It's there to catch you when you fall, be it a sudden job loss, an unexpected medical bill, or an urgent car repair. And it's not just about surviving these unexpected expenses. Having an emergency fund also gives you peace of mind and financial freedom. So, How much should you save? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This might seem like a daunting task, but remember, it doesn't have to be built overnight. Start small and gradually build up. Make it a priority. Every pound saved is a step towards financial security. An emergency fund is a financial life jacket. It's there to keep you afloat during life's unexpected storms. Rule number 6, maximize your income. A powerful mantra, yet often overlooked in our pursuit of financial stability. You see, your income isn't simply what you earn from your 9-to-5 job. It's a wealth-building tool, a force to be reckoned with. How do we harness this force? First, invest in yourself, improve your skills, become more valuable in your field, and don't shy away from negotiating a better salary. You are your biggest asset, after all. Second, create multiple income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, diversify. Think side hustles, passive income, freelancing. The possibilities are endless in the digital age. Lastly, remember that every penny counts. Don't neglect small opportunities for extra income. They add up, and before you know it, you've got a snowball of wealth rolling. Remember, money isn't just about spending and saving, it's also about maximizing. Your income is your wealth-building tool. Rule number 7, automate your finances. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about missing a payment or forgetting to transfer money into your savings account. This isn't a far-off dream, but an achievable reality with the magic of automation. By setting up automatic transfers, you can ensure a certain portion of your income goes straight to your savings account each month. This takes the guesswork and temptation out of saving. Automating your bill payments, on the other hand, helps you avoid late fees and the potential damage to your credit score. It's like setting an alarm to wake up in the morning. You set it once and forget about it, but it consistently does its job. In a nutshell, automating your finances simplifies your financial management, eliminates human error, and ensures consistency in saving and paying bills. It's like having a personal finance assistant, but without the cost. Automation is the key to consistency. Rule number 8, protect your wealth. It's not just about making money, but keeping it safe and growing it over time. One essential way to do this is through insurance. Whether it's health, car, home, or life insurance, these safety nets can prevent a sudden financial loss from wiping out your hard-earned wealth. But insurance isn't the only key to protection. Estate planning is another crucial strategy. By setting up an effective will or trust, you can ensure that your wealth is distributed according to your wishes, minimizing the chance of family disputes and reducing potential taxes. Also consider the value of diversification, not just in your investments, but in your sources of income as well. Multiple income streams can provide a safety net if one source dries up. Remember, wealth isn't just about the amount you have today, it's about ensuring that it continues to grow and remains secure for the future. Protecting your wealth is as important as building it. Rule number 9, continual learning. The world of finance and investment is like a river, constantly flowing and changing its course. It's not enough to just dip your toes in once and expect to understand it all. You must immerse yourself, continually learning and adapting. Each day brings new trends, new strategies, and new opportunities to grow your wealth. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. It's crucial to discern between valuable information and noise. So how do you do that? By educating yourself. Read books, attend webinars, listen to podcasts, engage in conversations with financial advisors. Equip yourself with the knowledge to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of finance. Don't let the fear of the unknown stop you. Embrace it. Use it as a fuel to drive your quest for knowledge, because in this world, knowledge isn't just power, it's your ticket to financial freedom. Knowledge is power in the world of finance. And finally, rule number 10, be patient. In the world of finance and investing, patience is not just a virtue, it's a necessity. The road to wealth is not lined with shortcuts or quick fixes. You won't find it at the end of a rainbow or in a magical pot of gold. It's a journey, not a destination, and it's one that requires time, dedication, and yes, patience. The lure of get-rich-quick schemes can be enticing, but remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The stock market isn't a casino, and investing isn't a game of chance. It's a strategic process that requires careful planning, calculated risks, and a long-term perspective. So keep your eyes on the horizon, not just the road ahead. Invest wisely and give your investments the time they need to grow. Remember, the tortoise beats the hare in the long run. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Let's quickly revisit the 10 money rules we've discussed today. First, always remember to spend less than you earn. This seems simple, but it's a fundamental rule of personal finance. Second, start investing early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Third, diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Fourth, avoid debt whenever possible. Remember, debt is a form of financial slavery. Fifth, save for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and it's always wise to be prepared. Sixth, maximize your income. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest. Seventh, automate your finances. This can save you time and stress. Eighth, protect your wealth. Insurance and legal measures can safeguard what you've worked hard to earn. Ninth, never stop learning. Knowledge is power. And 10th, be patient. Wealth building takes time. Remember to subscribe to Investor Web for more financial wisdom. Till next time, keep investing wisely.